Today we are looking at the 2025 GMC Sierra HD 2500 SLE in Summit White. This heavy-duty truck is powered by a 6.6-liter V8 engine paired with an Allison 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we jump on into the interior, the first thing we'll look at are these jet black cloth seats. These seats contain heating in the front. Along the interior, you'll notice this black trim as well as these wooden accent panels. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, media and volume control, as well as your shifter and your windshield wipers. Behind the steering wheel is your digital gauge cluster, containing things such as vehicle information, media, navigation, and more. In the center of the dash is your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as built-in Google Maps and Google Assistant. Below is a bunch of buttons, most notably lane assist, park sense, traction control, and more. To the left is your vehicle start engine button, as well as your tow brake settings, and to the right is your climate control settings, as well as your controls for heated seats in the front. Here is additional charging ports. The center console offers loads of room for storage and can also be pulled up as a functional middle seat. On the left-hand side are your power controls for your windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as your drive mode settings and light settings. As we take a look at the exterior, you'll notice plenty of chrome trim options, as well as these wheels. Around the bed, you'll notice additional assist steps, as well as a corner step rear bumper, and a chrome rear bumper. This Sierra comes with a multi-pro tailgate, which means after lowering our power tailgate, we can lower it once more for an integrated bed step. Within the cargo bed, you are provided with spray-on bed liner, preventing dings, scratches, and dents. On the right side is a 120-volt charger, as well as LED lighting. Jumping into the back seat, your rear passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, pull-down cup holders, additional charging ports, and storage in and under the seat. As we head back to the front, we could take another look at these LED headlights, as well as this beautiful large chrome grille. And that is the 2025 GMC Sierra HD 2500 in Summit White, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we'll be happy to help.